So yeah, hopefully, maybe some of you guys who watch the show every week recognize this background. It's been a minute since I've been back in Michigan. I'm here for all of 24 hours, as I do. Uh, Boston last week was fantastic. One of my favorites. Favorite cities for sure. So that was awesome. And where else was I? New Hampshire was really cool the week before that. Today is Michigan, and tomorrow, next week, I have no idea where I'll actually be. But I am actually headed up to Alaska, and by car, which is crazy, and I understand that. But I'm only this young and this dumb once. So that is my plan. It's going to take me roughly 7 days, probably longer, now that I actually have my route kind of planned out to do that. It's going to be a ton of driving, a ton of just unbelievable sites, stopping at Yellowstone and Banff and Black Hills and Whitehorse, a bunch of places along the way. So that is going to be crazy. Yeah, cool, but not by car. Yeah, that's basically everyone says. But I really enjoy driving. I feel so blessed to be able to have the opportunity that I do to do this. And I'm going to try and take you guys along the way. I got this new fancy phone. I'm going to be trying to shoot videos on and bring you guys along the way. Hopefully, if I'm not in Canada for all of this trip, I'll be able to do some lives and get to interact with you guys as I'm at cool national parks and stuff. But yeah, I'm stoked on that. I'm super excited to be headed up to Alaska. I just pray that the internet up there is somewhat usable. I am going to be trying to work while I'm up there, but Steven's been doing a fantastic job holding down the fort while I've been traveling the world, so I have full faith in him. But yeah, so I'm back in Michigan for one night, 1 week. You guys will see this background again, and then I'll be off to who knows where. I have no idea where I'll be next Monday. It's going to be quite the adventure. So you guys will see a new background. Hopefully it won't be in my car. Hopefully I'll find somewhere to stay. But we'll see.